UTabata uchazwe njengomuntu obengumzekelo kuluntu ngokubanzi. Ubekwaziwa nanjengosomashishini ogqwesileyo kwakunye nomlawuli namendo kumdlalo wombhoxo. Kusapho lwakhe ubengumuntu onothando nomhlobo nenyani.
Our father's biggest mission was to have all of his kids together under one roof. Well done. Well done. We're here. We're here. And although it's under such grim circumstances, we understand that you didn't just give up on us. You fought. And we understand that in order for you to carry on fighting, you had to cross over to the other side.
He was one person who would never fake friendship. I think that is what we suffer nowadays. When we say we've got friends, in most cases, we've got fake friends. And Mpinga did not belong in that category. He never faked friendship. If Mpinga loved you, he loved you right up to the end.
Ukusweleka kwakhe kube ilahleko enkulu kwezombhoxo weli.
Mr. FIXIT, as he was known, has always been a man you could depend on. And we are now a lot poorer without him. Personally, I will miss him very much.
UTabata ushiya ngasemva inkosikazi kunye nabantwana basibhozo. Abongile Yankees kwiindaba ze SABC.